I could still hear that bee. There it is, right there. I don't know if there will be enough light right here. Let me try this bee. There we go. That looks good with that bark, tree bark. Well, the bee left. Tiny ones are cute. Can you see that? It's so tiny. Once I look at the picture on the computer, I can see it better. I think I lost it. Well, there's always something else to find. I can already see some butterflies down here. I like the ones with colors. I guess we need to watch out for snakes. I have been around 5 snakes this year. Very close too, and it scares me. But I still come out here. There's a bug on this little purple flower. Oh, did you see that frog go across there real quick? Oh, there's that yellow butterfly. Its wings are damaged, it looks like. They're kind of curled up. But it makes it more of a unique butterfly picture. I mean, there we go. Can you see how it's curled up like it's dried out? Once I get that on the computer, I'll be able to see it real good and figure out if I want to post this picture. Let's get this one. That bee is a lot slower than the other bee.
Taking pictures of the bee too.
If the bee gets really loud, you better back away. But as long as they have their flower, that's all they want.